Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be this month's BoxyCharm by Ipsy's unboxing. So if you guys are interested in what I got and my thoughts and opinions, then so here is my box. I went ahead and opened it because you know me, I'm nosy like that, and I'm not surprised. This. Why can't they just put like foam or bubble wrap or like more of that stuff? That was all that was in there. And granted, like, it was a little wiggly, not a lot, but a little bit. For my, I don't like it. I just don't like it. And so far, that's just how I'm feeling about things. BoxyCharm. The first item that I got was a mascara from the brand Neen Pretty Extra. I don't even know. Oh, by the way, it comes with this stupid little thing. This is worthless to me. I don't care about what you're promoting because on paper, because it's in the app. So what good is that to me? Like, that means nothing. Like, it's just so stupid. Put more packaging in there. But anyway, so you guys, you know how I get. So here is the mascara. This is in Black Noir. Retails for $26. It is 8 millimeters. It's supposed to be creamy and give you that flawless, long-lasting lash hold without any annoying flaking or smudging. I don't know. We'll see. I like to keep these because I don't like buying mascara, honestly. They're expensive, and in here I feel like I get, you know, the best thing. The next item is the Tula Skincare brand So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Okay, so now I have to find it because... no. Here it is. Okay. This retails for $34. It is 2.9 fluid ounces. It is full size, and it is a facial scrub. I'm just going to read what it says on the back of the item instead of what's in the app because I feel like it might say something different. It's supposed to be good for your skin without any parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, formaldehyde, releasing preservatives, retinol, gluten, dairy, silicone, dimethicone, synthetic fragrance. They are supposed to be cruelty-free, and they are supposedly dermatologist tested. It has probiotic extracts that help balance, improve the skin's smoothness. Pumpkin is supposed to help the softness, and sugar for the gentle exfoliation. Next item is from Huda Beauty, and it is a liquid matte ultra comfort transfer proof lipstick. Now, I haven't even tried any of their eyeshadow palettes. I do have a mini of them that I got from BoxyCharm way back. I haven't even used it. Like, I have so much stuff that I'm not even going to use and that I had to get rid of because they expired. And this one was a choice item. So this was my pick. It retails for $23. It is full size. It is a liquid lippy. It's a pinky nude. Again, probably why I picked it because that's just what I go for. So this is the shade Bombshell from Huda Beauty that we got. Super cute. I like it. Was also a choice item. Is also Huda Beauty, and this is the Lip Contour Automatic Matte Lip Pencil. Again, probably why I picked it. Why not get a, you know, lip liner? If I can get it out. I've never tried any of their products, so this is definitely going to be something interesting. If you guys want to see a try on with any makeup items out of my beauty boxes, please let me know because I did stop doing that. Just because there's so many makeup reviews and tutorials. But if it's something that you guys want to see, I'm happy to oblige. And just let me know down in the comments. Okay, here, that took a minute and a half. So this is supposed to be Lip Contour 2.0 Honey Beige. Okay. Ooh, I like that it's a twisty. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Honestly, you guys. So this is the shade here. That is Honey Beige. Now, my third choice item was from Earth Harbor Naturals. And this is the Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir. I buy a lot of vitamin C products. I do like oils and things, and I thought this was a oil, but it is not. It is a serum. It retails for $44. It is 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce, so it is full size. Okay. The next item was an add-on item, which is the Keys Soul Care Golden Cleanser. I didn't think that it was going to be this heavy, this big. And I have a whole bunch of other items from this brand from Ipsy's BoxyCharm that I haven't even touched yet. So when I go to use them, I kind of want to use them all together and really give a review on this brand specifically. It's just going to be a minute by the time that video actually comes. The next item was an add-on, and it was a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, the Retro palette. If I can open it up. I love the packaging and the shades on the app. Just called to me. Neutrals, fall friendly. Really, you could probably just wear this all year round. Neutrals, you can't go wrong with the neutrals on. The next one is also an add-on, which is just kitsched. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's just a whole bunch of neutral, pinky toned scrunchies, and they are satin. So hair friendly scrunchies that are not gonna, you know, damage your hair. Then my last item, which is my Beauty Boost. It is a $74 valued item, which is the Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Blue Tansy Face Oil. I was so ecstatic when I seen this as a choice for a Beauty Boost because I was eyeing it at Sephora. I just didn't want to spend that money. I was like, you know what? This might be good for my skin. It's saying all the good things that I'm interested in, but I didn't want to pay that price. Overall thoughts and opinions on this month's BoxyCharm. It was okay. Again, the quality of the items, it's there. So if that's something that you're all about, I highly suggest this beauty subscription box. But I will say, you have to be on, like, you got to be on that app to do your choice items, or else you're going to be missing out. And again, if you miss out on what you want, you might not be satisfied with what you get in your box. Besides that, my only issue that I have with Ipsy's packaging is the fact that their packaging is just not, like, not the box itself, not that packaging. I'm talking about, like, what you put in the box. Like, I need some foam. I need some more protection up in there because I'm not thrilled with things possibly moving around and breaking. That's just, I've had my issues in the past, and my subscription does not expire till Christmas of 2024. So that's, I don't know, if I can't see within the next year that I'm honestly, I might unsubscribe. I don't know yet. I haven't made up my mind, but all right, you guys, that wraps up today's video. What did you guys think of this month's box? Do you have Ipsy? Do you have any of their beauty subscriptions? And what did you think of my box? I don't know. Did you see any items that I should be keeping an eye out for repurchase wise? And leave your comments down below on that. And if you guys made it this far in the video and you have not done so already, then please do not forget to sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos anywhere from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, your mom, your neighbor, your brother, whoever. And hopefully I will catch you in my next one. Bye.